Formal charge of ions. The individual atoms present in a neutral molecule or a polyatomic ion do not possess any charge. In case of a polyatomic ion like NH4 plus, NO3 minus, CO3 2 minus, etc., the charge present on the ion is actually the net charge possessed by the ion as a whole and not by any particular atom present in that ion. Fill in the blank question. However, for some purposes, the formal charge, short form Fc, is assigned to each individual atoms. How to determine formal charge is an important question normally used to ask. Therefore, the equation and the example, listening to the audio and video, you have to write it in the notebook after listening. Therefore, you must get the same answer by your own effort and then check the answer. The formal charge on an atom in a polyatomic molecule or ion may be defined as equal to the difference between the number of valence electron possessed by that atom, that is 1 point, in the free state, and the number of electrons assigned to that atom in the Lewis structure of the molecule. That is, the formal charge that we are going to discuss is the diagrammatic representation. See, the formal charge may be calculated as given below. This formula is very important. Therefore, first of all, you should write the formula in your notebook. That is, formal charge on an atom in a polyatomic molecule or ion is equal to total number of valence electrons in the free atom minus total number of non-bonding or lone pair of electron minus half into total number of bonding or shared electron. There are number of terms should be explained on this. That is, first of all, what is mean by bonding electron? What is mean by non-bonding electron? Bonding electron means the electrons which undergo bonding. That means any bond formation, a double bond or a dative bond, all these are bonding. Non-bonding means on the atom the electrons which are not used for the bond formation. These things to be clear, then only you can follow this. Bonding means it enters into the bond formation, either a single bond or a double bond or a dative bond, etc. Lone pair or non-bonding means it will remain on the atom. It has nothing to do with the bonding. First of all, you should write this equation and then listen to this and try to find out the answer by substituting the values in this equation. For example, the procedure for calculation of the formal charge on a particular atom in a polyatomic molecule or ion can easily be understood by considering the example ozone molecule as discussed below. Therefore, let us start that as a separate calculation.